La Serena, a charming coastal city in Chile, offers a delightful blend of natural beauty, historical charm, and cultural experiences that invite travelers to explore its diverse attractions. Known for its stunning beaches, colonial architecture, and vibrant art scene, La Serena is a destination that caters to a range of interests and desires. The city's historic center showcases a rich colonial heritage with well-preserved architecture that dates back to the Spanish colonial period. The La Recova Market, housed in a historic building, offers a bustling atmosphere where visitors can find local crafts, fresh produce, and traditional Chilean dishes. The nearby Plaza de Armas is a hub of activity, surrounded by historic buildings, including the majestic La Serena Cathedral. La Serena's beautiful beaches, with their golden sands and inviting waters, are a highlight for sunseekers and water sports enthusiasts. Coquimbo Beach, just a short distance from the city, is known for its lively atmosphere, beachfront restaurants, and opportunities for water-based activities like surfing, kayaking, and sailing. The Elqui Valley, a picturesque region surrounding La Serena, is famous for its clear skies and is considered one of the best places in the world for stargazing. The Mamaluca Observatory offers guided tours and telescope observations, providing a unique opportunity to marvel at the beauty of the night sky. The nearby town of Vicuña, birthplace of Chilean poet Gabriela Mistral, is worth a visit for its literary heritage and cultural attractions. The Gabriela Mistral Museum pays homage to the Nobel Prize-winning poet and offers insights into her life and works. La Serena's commitment to the arts is evident in its cultural offerings. The Avenida del Mar Sculpture Park, adorned with modern sculptures, provides a scenic walk along the coastline while showcasing the city's artistic expression. The Juan Bojan Art Gallery and the Municipal Theater offer exhibitions, performances, and cultural events that reflect the city's creative spirit. The city's gastronomy scene is a journey of flavors, with a variety of dining options that showcase Chilean cuisine. Seafood, as well as traditional dishes like empanadas and pastel de choclo, can be savored in local restaurants and beachfront eateries. La Serena's blend of historical charm and contemporary vibrancy creates a unique destination that captivates travelers seeking relaxation, cultural enrichment, and natural beauty. Whether it's exploring colonial architecture, indulging in coastal pleasures, immersing in arts and culture, or simply savoring the laid-back atmosphere, La Serena invites visitors to embark on a journey that celebrates the best of Chile's coastal offerings.